Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Madalang tayong makakita ng mga smartphones na may kakaibang features or innovations lalo na pagdating sa customization. Alam nyo ba nung mga bata pa tayo, especially sa mga kaedad ko, we used to replace the backplate or even case ng smartphones natin, or phones, if I may say. Usong-uso ang 3210 at 3310 noon. Maliban sa casing, ini-invert rin yung display para maging kakaiba yung itsura niya. No? Brings back memories. I cannot believe na more than 25 years nang sabik ang mga consumers sa pag-customize ng mga smartphones nila or even yung mga phones nila. Most of the customizations these days are done by software. We just usually slap a new case and simply change the wallpaper, and that's it. Now, what we have here is the CMF Phone 1, the latest offering from Nothing sub-brand CMF. This phone is really, if I may say, may very well change the way we see phone customization. So, let's dive right in. The CMF Phone 1's design immediately tells one thing. It's clear that this is no ordinary smartphone. In a way, I would say that it is modular, and when you have the specs of the screws and the size of the phone and the backplate, it would be easy for people to create new 3D printed cases at saka accessories. By the way guys, this video is not a review, but an overview of the things you need to know about this phone. While Digital Walker sent this phone to us, they did not have a hand on what I'm going to say in this video. Hindi sila nag-send ng script sa amin or anything, so everything on this video is our take about this new smartphone. Anyway, going back, this modular design takes customization to a whole new level. Unlike its Nothing phone counterpart, which focuses on transparent back with LED notifications via the glyph, the CMF Phone 1 opts for a more involved and evocative approach to personalization. Kumbaga, mas feel mo na sa iyo talaga ang phone kasi free ka to change most of its aesthetic parts. Pero hindi siya totally modular kasi you're not actually free to change its hardware, even the battery itself. Now, ang standout feature dito ay yung pinaka-interchangeable back panel niya. With a simple twist of the included screwdriver, which looks really nice at pwedeng collectible, users can swap out the back cover for different colors and even textures. CMF sent over extra cases for me to try out, and my personal favorite is this felt blue back panel na medyo may pagka-leather yung finish. The level of customization that the phone offers not only allows for personal expression, but also extends the life of the device by making repairs and probably battery replacement potentially more accessible. I must warn you though, it is not advisable to replace the batteries by yourself. This is where after-sales service come in by CMF via Digital Walker. Now, the phone sports a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The CMF Phone 1 offers a visual experience that belies its mid-range price point. Akala mo, ano siya, flagship, no? Colors are vibrant, and the 2000 nits peak brightness ensured I could easily read messages and frame photos even under the bright sun. Now, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G chipset, the phone handled my daily tasks with ease. From editing photos of the stunning San Juan, where I went to recently this weekend, to multitasking between navigation and music streaming apps during beach hopping, the CMF Phone 1 remained responsive and smooth throughout my trip. Medyo expected naman yung level ng performance na ito kasi the Dimensity 7300 is quite a capable chipset to begin with. Now, let's talk about the camera. The 50-megapixel main camera, paired with a dedicated depth sensor, proved to be a capable shooter during my recent trip. While it takes accurate colors and good level of contrast, mas gusto ko na sana mas wider pa yung rear lens niya for my landscape shots. Now, here are a few samples or sample photos that I shot. The camera's performance in various lighting conditions was impressive, capturing the vibrant colors of the beach at sunset and the intricate details of local cuisine. Yung 16-megapixel front-facing camera niya takes good selfies, but again, not wide enough to take photos with a group. Running on Nothing OS 2.6 based on Android 14, the CMF Phone 1 offers a refreshingly clean and bloatware-free experience. The interface is intuitive, just like the Nothing phone, with thoughtful customization options that allow users to tailor the look and feel of their device without overwhelming them with unnecessary features. Hands down, napaka-clean pa rin talaga ng UI ng Nothing OS, and this is the reason why this look is a peg of some users these days, even on their iPhone with iOS 18. Now, one particular useful feature I discovered during my trip was the ability to create custom widgets for quick access to travel information and local weather updates. Now, this level of personalization extends beyond mere aesthetics, enhancing the overall functionality of the device. The 5,000 milliampere battery on this thing easily lasted through full days of heavy usage, including GPS navigation, photo taking, and social media sharing. Now, even on days packed with activities during my previous trip, I never found myself reaching for a charger before bedtime. In fact, hindi ko nga siya chinarge during my last trip. No? 3 araw yon. The 33 watts fast charging capability meant that when I did need to top up, which I didn't need to, I could just simply go back and have it recharge and then go back to exploring San Juan La Union in no time. But I didn't have to do that because I didn't have to charge this smartphone. Now, after spending about a week with the CMF Phone 1, it is clear that this device is more than just a budget-friendly option. It's a statement. By taking customization to a new level, CMF has created a phone that's not only functional but also deeply personal. So yung modular design niya sets it apart naman from nothing phone counterpart and indeed from most smartphones on the market today. While some may complain about the absence of features, wala tong headphone jack, NFC, the CMF Phone 1 compensates with its unique approach to user-centric design. It's a device that invites interaction and personalization, encouraging users to make it truly their own. Kung may reklamo tayo sa presyo, which I think meron pa rin naman, I believe for some people, some would not mind it kasi iba yung reason nila for getting this phone. They want a phone na reliable pa rin and allows them to customize it. Likely, these are also the type of people who are still willing to spend more for ways to customize this phone. I will not be surprised, baka may mga iba pa dyan bumili ng 3D printer para lang i-customize tong phone na to. Well, that's it for our video today. Special thanks to Digital Walker and CMF for sending the CMF Phone 1. The CMF Phone 1 is now available in the Philippines through Digital Walker for $17,490. CMF Watch Pro 2, this is one that I'm wearing, and CMF Buds Pro 2 are also available for $4,390 and $3,790 accordingly. Our full review of the CMF Phone 1 will be posted on our website in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, you can also check out our first impressions where we also posted some benchmark results. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!